Hey, today I'm showing you my finally completed Checkie Quilt. So Checkie Quilt is a pattern in my book StashWork, which is about using up your fabric stash, right? So all of the patterns are really easy, efficient, just kind of get it done type of quilts. And I made this one spring 2024 in a quilt along with you. And it's made in my Made of Magic fabrics paired with the Ethereal fabric collection. So for the darks, I used Made of Magic, and for the lights, I used Ethereal. So if you're familiar with the pattern, it's lights and darks, and that's how the whole thing is put together. So those are the two collections I used. So super scrappy. On the back, I used Drops of Rain in porcelain wide back. This is one of my favorite wide backs. Um, so it's just a basic dot, and I binded it with that blue fabric. I think it's called Caroline. I think it's called Musings in Caroline or something like that. But it's the only one that is that brighter blue. This one was long arm quilted for me by Courtney at Everyday Modern Quilts, who sponsored that quilt along. I forget the name of the design. I didn't write that down here in my journal, but I'm sure she would know it if you wanted to get that same kind of design on it. Uh, I was going for like a curvy, because the whole quilt was all squares and boxes. I wanted to do something a little bit different than that. So that was my thoughts when choosing that design. But yeah, this got warm and natural batting in it, and so it's just 100% cotton. So the drape is just really, really pretty. And I love the quilting. I love the density of the quilting. It's a little bit less than I normally do, so it's got a little bit more loft than some of my quilts. And then the whole vibe of this one is just really soft and pastel, and it's just, I don't know, to me, it's got like this whole grandmotherly vibe to it that I just really, really love. In fact, I think I have a quilt of my grandmother's that reminds me of this one just based on the color. I might show you that one sometime. All right, well, that is it for me today. If you're interested in the Checkie quilt pattern, or if you're a brand new beginner quilter, this is a perfect pattern for you. I will put a link to the pattern below, and then all the video demos we have of making this quilt in case you need that extra guidance. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time.